This is my unboxing. Foam, just like he shows in his videos. This is the Java moss. Looks pretty good. And some insulation to insulate them. Kind of difficult with one hand. I'm not used to this. Oh. Okay. He has it rolled up in it. All right. This is my starter package of crystal reds. The imported crystal red shrimp from Flip Diesel. Comes with 3 months supply of food. And here's another one. A net and some catappa leaves. So now this is a little wet. So let's see. Little bitty. I know you can't really see in here. One, 2, 3, 4, should be 10. Oh, sorry. Kind of hard to see in here, but I want to get them out and start acclimating. And then I'll do a video showing them. But did really good packaging, and this was a really good deal. And this come from Flip Diesel, Flip Aquatics. The Java moss I bought separately. So this is the starter package of the imported crystal shrimp. Crystal red shrimp. Stay tuned.